To me, construction management was about a mix of three things that I like, which is law, economics, and construction. To me, the favorite thing about construction management has to be the mix of the academic balance that it delivers, and at the same time, the professional engagement and the employability focus that the course is. In my honest opinion, I think Nottingham is a great student city. I always like to describe it as a big enough city where you have a lot to do and for whatever type of thing you're into, and at the same time, it's small enough that you can go walking everywhere. This course has prepared me really well because it's brought a mix and a balance of the academic teachings, and at the same time, it gave me really good skills through my placement here, where I managed to get a job and also learn a lot about the industry. I had an amazing opportunity to do my placement at Leeds in Madrid in Spain, where I was really lucky enough to be working on site in a really cool project. But for me, the placement, it made me realize that what you actually get taught in Nottingham Trent reflects of what gets done and practiced in the industry. Half of our lecturers, or if not more, come from industry and are either surveyors or project managers or construction managers. And I think that's been really useful because you actually get taught what's being practiced in the industry. I'd recommend anyone thinking about coming to Nottingham Trent University because, to me, ultimately, one, it's got me a job, which is what I wanted to do at university. It's helped me grow personally, and at the same time, I had fun doing it.